All right, here's an extra nice Zippo I just received from the factory outlet. And let's take a look at this one. Now this comes in a case with a cardboard sleeve, so you know it's going to be special. And this says Firebreathing Dragon. And it also has a kind of a velveteen case. And there is the first look at the Firebreathing Dragon. Pretty nice little presentation box. So that is a semi-collectible box. Well, it's more than that. It's a collectible box. Let's take a look at this Firebreathing Dragon. It's on a brushed chrome case. And I do believe that this is my first Zippo with the 2016 stamping on it. Yeah, it's January of 2016. You can see that, Bradford, PA, made in the USA. And this is a two-piece plaque. You can see when it opens up the teeth. The teeth on the top are really sharp. Kind of a muted sound because of the plaque, but it's a fire breather, all right. Lights up nice. That is the Firebreathing Dragon of 2016 by Zippo. This is a super cool Zippo. And I'm just going to put it back in the presentation box right there. And I do believe this little dragon deserves a cow bell. Knuckle bump.